nagre-reflect lang siya. Wait lang. Nagbablog pa yung tao. Nagpapapicture. Yan yung set, guys. Set out. Let's go. Sana makita.
Take me back to the club, 'cause girl, you look fine as hell. I'm not
And kailangan lang po, cameras, and music!
50 great years, let's celebrate.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Playback muna natin na. Playback natin.
Ganun, guys. Let's go.
If you're in the mood, we'll take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. To my friends, it tells me hard.
What's up, guys? So, here pa rin kami sa set and siguro hindi pa natapos. Naka-ilang take na, guys. Start! Rantok lang. Latina na ito. Sobrang Latina. Charot. Yes, let's go! Yes, update na lang, guys. Guys, kasama ko si Ali Jerry. Hello, guys! Arte-arte naman yan! Nandito kami sa set, guys, kasi mag-shoot na ng All of the Above. Hey, All of the Above! Ayan sila. All of the Above. Ano yan? With artist. Si ano, si ano. Yeah! Secret lang yung artist, guys, kasi mapapagalitan. Ikaw ba?
Ako talaga yung artista.
Siya daw talaga yun siya. Paano? Pakita mo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Ay! Kilala na kung sino agad. Sino agad? Kilaan nyo. Tararansan. A, si ano? B, si ano? O C, si ano? Sino sa kanila ang mahal mo? Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. What's up, guys? So, nandito na yung tatlong artist. Let's go. Let's go, Sir Golly. Let's go, Marian. It's Marian and Jella Kaida. Let's go. Mag-detectors na kami, guys, and mag-shoot later na lang. Let's go. Let's go, Miss Marian. Zara.
Yes, 50 great years, let's celebrate.
Hello, Sir Gary. Yes, the one and only guide in the shadow. Jella Kaida and Mom Marian Rivera. Let's go. One more, guys. Let's go.
Very good, guys. Good. Thank you.
Yes, 50 great years, let's celebrate.
Gawin yun, guys. Let's go. Miss Marian Rivera. Those are guys.
Right. Okay, of course.
Yes.
Wait. Are we